Hello, friends. Welcome to Squaird Plans, where creative planning and organization comes to life. I'm Stephanie, and today we're going to be doing a fun planner refresh in my classic Happy Planner. I'll be setting up my frankenplanner with a fresh fall aesthetic, so let's get to it. So first off, I want to switch out the discs on my planner. I have these gold expander rings from the Happy Planner. They're metal rings. I'll first start by stripping out all of my summer accessories and decor from my planner currently. I have a lot of DIY projects, including this pen loop, and so you may see me do a little bit of band-aiding here on those pen loops because the stickiness of the tape that I use to stick that around sometimes sticks harder to the plastic than it does the actual pen loop. But I still love them, so I keep using them, and they work great once they're in my planner, but moving them around sometimes is a challenge. But I'm stripping out all of the layered dashboards and things that I've made in the past, including my back pen loop for my 4-color pen, my DIY pocket folder here, and my back cover. So I've taken out all of the extra stuff that I will be replacing with fall. Now I'm going to start by pulling out this new cover that I'm going to be putting on, which is a plastic frosted cover I got from Live Love Posh, setting it up with those gold rings. This cover is quite a bit thicker than my normal covers, which is nice, and I like that it's frosted, so it should hide any scratches. I also went ahead and made some dashboards previously, as well as a cardstock cover from this cardstock pack. Very simple, no lamination here. Just doubled up 2 of those cardstock pieces, it glued them together, and then punched them along with the vellum, which I printed from free printables that I had in the past fall refreshes. Also have this sticky dash that I made a while back using a piece of acetate from Plentything, and then a cardstock backer I also made similarly to the cover with the 2 pieces of cardstock glued together. And then I have some little plastic photo corners on that acetate sheet to strengthen up the flexibility of that sticky dash. Also have this pocket folder I'm going to be putting in, another DIY project from a previous fall refresh, and I'm going to be putting my pen loop onto it. We'll see if that's the best place for it. Usually I like to stick my pen loops onto plastic when I can. Next, I'm going to be putting into my 6 sections my layered dashboards that are actually available in my shop if you're interested, and they are editable. So if there's something that you see here that you are interested in, do check the description down below. I should have links to most of the items that I either DIY'd, I'll show the videos, or if it's available as a download, I will include those as well. So I'm just layering those in to my sections. Like I said, I have 6 main side tabs that I have those fall dashboards on. I had to make a new one for my collection section, but the other ones were already made from a previous refresh. So I just went ahead and popped those in. Decided not to make anything really elaborate for my fall refresh this year because I think I'm going to be downgrading to a half letter in 2026. So I'm going to be making a lot of stuff for that. That should be coming up in the future. So I just wanted to use stuff that I already had and kind of recreate that fall aesthetic that I've done in previous refreshes. Now we're on to my reference section, which has 4 bottom tabs, and those bottom tabs also have their own layered dashboards. Again, these are reused from a previous fall refresh. Love these dashboards though. I love how they have the layering on the back with the fall aesthetic. Also on the front I have quotes and a stock photo that is very fall focused. Just gets you in all the feels of fall. Layering those in real quick in the back, and those 4 tabs. Lastly, what I'll be doing is trying to add in a pen loop. So I made this pen loop late last year for my planner setup and ended up not using it. It is a little tight where that pen loop is, and so when I put it in my planner, it just bubbles up there, and I don't like that. Thought maybe I could get it to work in this, but I think I'm just going to change things out, flip it, and use it to hold my back pen loop here with my 4-color pen. Again, I like to stick those onto plastic, so that should work and give me a home for that pen, because I do need both my regular pen and my 4-color pen in my planner at all times. One thing I'm going to do, I feel like the planner is a little bit tight, specifically when I'm trying to move this dashboard around. So I'm going to open up the disc holes a bit, just using my scissors, and see if that helps it slide a little bit better along those metal discs. I think the real problem is that these frosted covers are a little bit thick. So we'll see. I may need to make some adjustments down the road. Okay, so let's do a quick flip through of everything that I changed out, starting with this front cover. I have 2 layered vellum sheets here and the cardstock backer that I made. All of those are DIY projects and printed off of my printer at home. Got this acetate layered up with another piece of cardstock, and then also to my DIY pocket folder I made quite a while back with my pen loop. So for my 6 sections, you can see these fall dashboards, which I still love. Made these last year and then also made them available in my shop. So really excited for these. Again, I just love the reading and fall leaves vibes for fall. Plus, I like the layering and the vellum, so excited to use these once again. And here's the one I had to make for this year, since I didn't have one made for that section previously. One more here in my schedule section. And then we're going to jump to the back and the very last tab, which is my reference section. Everything there in the middle doesn't have any fall aesthetic other than on the actual pages of the planner. So this will be the last set of dashboards in that 6-tab section. Then we move to the long-term storage section with the 4 dashboards I showed earlier. I'm just going to flip through the fronts because I don't want to show what's behind them. But I did show that when I was setting it up. So if you want to see a little bit more of that, go ahead and go back into the video and see those fall aesthetic collages I made on the back of those dividers. I really love these. Nice fall vibes to get me through the next couple months. And then finally, that dashboard that I decided to put the pen loop on. Sliding a little better, but not quite as smooth as I want. Got the back dashboard here and the layered vellum and my back cover. Quick and easy fall refresh. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up down below. Also, to go ahead and leave me a comment if you'd like to get in touch, and think about subscribing to my channel if you haven't already, if you would like to see more of my videos. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really appreciate it, and we will see you next time. Bye!